We are on our last type of informative writing today. Today we are going to be looking at problem solution. I want you to brainstorm a list of problems that you see in the world. Now, this doesn't have to get heavy. You don't have to come up with a problem or an issue that you have to do some research even on to think about how to come up with a solution, although you can. Some of the issues or problems that I was thinking of right now would be the toilet paper shortage. Another one might be climate change. You could even have a problem with the amount of homework that you have. So I want you to start with a brainstorm and come up with a list of problems. From that brainstorm, I want you to select an issue or a problem that is important to you personally. From there, you have to come up with at least two solutions for that problem. And after you come up with those two solutions, that is when you're going to set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Now, one of the hardest parts about being a problem solution writer is that you can't say which solution is best. Instead, what you're going to do is describe the problem, and then you're going to describe both solutions without telling your reader which one you think is the best solution. You're going to let your reader make that decision. So, brainstorm your list, come up with one problem that you want to write about, come up with two solutions for that problem, and then set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Happy writing.